Hello everyone, it's Dimitri from BBC News. Israel has killed at least 23 Palestinians in attacks across the Gaza Strip in one of the deadliest days since on October ceasefire began, according to medical sources. The source told Al Jazeera several children were among the casualties on Wednesday, including an 11-year-old girl. At least 14 people were killed in Israeli shelling on the Tufa and Zaytun neighborhoods of Gaza City. Another four were reported dead in attack on tents sheltering displaced people in Kizan, Abdul Raswan area, south of Khan Yunis in southern Gaza. An additional two people were killed by Israeli attacks on Al-Mawazi coastal teen camp. The Palestine Red Crescent Society said one of the victims was first responder Hussein Hassan Hussein al-Sumairi. Reporting from Khan Yunis, Al Jazeera's Tariq Abu Azum said a number of residential homes in Gaza City have been squarely targeted without any prior warning. Abu Azum said the attacks occurring despite a United States brokered ceasefire supposedly being in place have left Palestinians in Gaza without any sense of respite. There's been a surge in Israel's military activities across Gaza in the past few hours. He said, "We can hear the sound of Israeli drones hovering overhead, giving a sign of future potential attacks that might take place." Israel's military said its armored unit and aircraft conducted attacks in northern Gaza after a reserve officer came under fire and was severely injured. It said the officer was evacuated to a hospital after the incident, which took place during routine operational activity near the yellow line that demarcates areas under Israeli military control. Israel has killed more than 520 Palestinians since the ceasefire went into effect nearly 4 months ago. On Wednesday, the Ministry of Health in Gaza said that Israel had handed over the bodies of 54 Palestinians and 66 boxes containing human remains and organs. The bodies and human remains were handed over by Israeli authorities to the Red Cross, and they will now be examined by medical teams in Gaza before being passed on to family in the enclave, the ministry said. At least 71,803 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli attacks since the war began on October 7, 2023. Right groups and the United Nations inquiry have called Israeli military action in Gaza a genocide. A case of genocide against Israel is underway at the International Court of Justice in The Hague. Thank you.